Okay, so what is the problem here? Well, that's fine. Keep writing. Moreover, it will,
Congestion,
it will,
it can be congestion on the roads because
yes,
the person is not putting attention while driving.
it will reduce
So
congestion on the road. That's it. Very good.
it will
Or it will
lead
make
to
the traffic
congestion.
more. It will reduce the congestion. I
Reduce.
will ex I will explain you. You are not coherent. And they, okay, write whatever I will discuss. Just write.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So I was about to ask you, like, if there is nowhere mention about the advantages or views. So can I
You don't
add
have to write this.
this as a shall discuss both?
Or because, or you can say that, I mean, since you have mentioned this essay shall discuss both the views followed by reason conclusion, if you want to increase the word count.
Yes. Can I
Discussion.
write this? Can I write
Yes,
this line?
yes, yes. Usually that line is written in discussion essay, but if you want to write it, you can. Okay, so this is the introduction, huh? So now what is wrong with the introduction? First thing, there are grammatical mistakes. The government should make or implement laws to prevent the use of mobile or cell phone while driving. More better structure, more precise and accurate. Okay.
Mm,
Okay. I fully agree with the statement because it may lead to fertilizer. Now, why you are incoherent? Why? Because it refers to the statement you just mentioned. You are saying what this implies here, that if they make laws, they will lead to accident. So it will reduce the accident. This is what you should say. That's why it's already a CC problem.
oh,
And
oh,
okay,
yes.
so check it over there. So now first make just write the government should implement laws to prevent the use of mobile or cell phone from the
Where?
top. From the
In the
top.
first line,
Yes.
government. Mm-hmm.
Made is incorrect, grammatically incorrect. Subject verb agreement. Should make or implement. Slash implement.
Dash I can use. I mean,
I mean,
it,
for you, I implement is a better word. More academic word is implement.
enforce. Enforce. We can also write.
Enforce is, yeah, you can write, but that means like they should force it.
Then government should.
Implementation is different. Can implement laws to prevent the use of mobiles or cell phone. Just say the use. The use of using, delete using Just delete using, that's fine. Rest is fine. You don't have to like be smart as well. You have already done mobile phones. Then remove, delete slash, right? Or cell phones.
Or cell.
Space.
Hmm?
Yes, that's fine while driving. Now better. I fully agree with this statement because it may reduce
Hmm.
reduce fatal accidents. And now moreover is a bad conjunction. It is not, you're not adding already, you will just use and, it will reduce congestion on the road. Moreover is not the proper transitional
Hmm.
verb here. And it will reduce congestion on the. Okay, so be careful about this part. Even if you think you're writing a good essay, you're contradicting yourself. This essay shall and analyze, discuss and analyze
This essay shall.
discuss and analyze both the views followed by raising criticism.
So here was the confusion basically. My question is, you got it in the first way as well. Like if there is nowhere mentioned discuss or the views. So shall I call these are the views, or shall I use discuss this essay discuss?
Well,
Is
usually
it?
this is used in a discussion essay, but I mean, you have mentioned two viewpoints, right? I mean, the central idea is in this essay, I shall discuss, or you can say in this essay, I shall discuss and analyze why the law should be implemented. Just delete both. Just make like just
This essay shall discuss and analyze.
delete everything, both. Like just copy paste. Like yes, like just select it, select everything and press delete. Highlight all the words from there. Not from there. No, 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 no. Just from the discuss analyze. Yes, better. Now delete. This essay shall discuss analyze. Then colon why strict laws, not semicolon colon. You don't have to delete everything. Just like this is the point. Why strict laws and regulations should be enforced or legislated. Should be legislated. Just say legislated or legislated. That's fine. In order to have a safer travel conditions. In order to have safer travel conditions. Okay, this is your outline. So what is just delete two there because you have two in order to. Now let's move on to the first paragraph. How much time do we have now? Let me see the time. Go move up, scroll up. We wasted 4 minutes. That's fine. 14 minutes?
Not
We
4
already.
minutes. Yes.
Okay, we don't have much time. All right,
It,
start with the central idea. So how it can reduce fatal accidents.
hmm,
First, now you write. I want to see now how it will reduce fatal accidents.
okay. So,
Write the whole paragraph. I will watch it and see. Okay, so first thing to commence with is probably not, I would just say write first. First. To commence is not, does not like, just say
Complete.
first,
Firstly or
first,
first?
first, first, comma, it has been observed. Seen, instead of seen, just say observed. Observe that, observe that people generally use mobile phones while driving, which sometimes lead to accidents. So end the sentence at this accident.
Hmm?
And the sentence is accident.
I couldn't get. What did you say?
And the sentence at accident. Just put a full stop.
Okay.
Now just say they consequently they do not pay proper attention, comma, they do not pay proper attention. Pay proper attention is the collocation. Or pay or pay proper attention to to the to the driving. Okay, now use your idea. So what happens when they do not pay proper attention to the driving? Connect the sentence. Keep it going. Don't end it. We will write complex structures. Don't put full stop. They do not pay proper attention to the driving, which does what? Which which leads to a mishap or a mayhem. Mayhem is a like a insurance term, or a mishap. That's it. Now with the discussion is enough because we are limited with the time. For instance, comma, a friend of mine. Now you write an example which basically justifies or fully discusses what we fully elaborate what we just discussed. Now try to connect. This is the correct. So why he met with a major accident? Because try to connect with the cell phone use. Because he frequently uses mobile phone or electronic devices while. Yes, very good. So now this is grammatically incorrect structure because he was on a call. Now you don't say and using mobile phone. That already means, so he was on a call while driving. That's it. While driving his car. So now attention, is it the attention right word? Do you lose attention or do you lose control?
Is it okay, or should I write with a collided with a truck?
As a result, he lost, or you can also say he thus lost his control and crashed his car into a pole, or crashed his car into a stray animal, or he drove his car into a stray animal.
Into a stray animal is not proper word.
This is how you no, this is how you
Actually, since we are talking about the traffic, the loss of stray animal is something out of context. We should write like in another vehicle. That is what I think is it, isn't it?
as a result he lost his control because we
And
have already
rammed the,
shown this structure.
yeah,
As a
and
result,
rammed mhm,
and
with a truck, with a trailer or a lorry. Lorry would be a good word, na?
uh, collided with a lorry, British word. Yes, as a result, he lost his he lost his control and collided with a lorry or truck.
Fortunately, he was lucky. I mean, he was safe. Is
No,
it?
we have to. So, moreover, he suffered several. He suffered. Moreover, he suffered.
Serious injuries.
Yes, serious injuries and was hospitalized for several days. And hospitalized. No, we don't. This is not correct structure. If you want to say was, moreover, he suffered serious injuries and he was hospitalized. So this will become compound complex for several days, which cost him his savings.
We are not talking about the savings and all. I think we shouldn't write this.
Okay, that's fine. We
Otherwise,
just want to show difficult structure. You're what is wrong with that?
since I mean, it is something like we are talking about. Since
Because
we
you
are,
have to pay bills as well, right?
huh?
You have to pay bills as well, right?
No, that's okay. But this is not our intention. Basically, we want to
I
show
mean, it is a indirect consequence. If you do this, it will also cost you money, time, life, everything, right? Because if you get hospitalized, you will also it will cost you money as well, right?
so. But our point is, it will reduce the congestion because it may reduce fatal accidents.
That is another
Okay.
point. Conjunction
Okay.
is another point. We are
No,
not
no.
discussing conjunction.
I'm talking about reduced fatal accidents. So fatal accidents, yes, it is somewhat similar to the fatal accidents. So moving to the next part. Is that okay or?
Because we had to ask, we actually went off topic because we had to discuss how implementation of laws could prevent several injuries. We could prevent such mishap. Hello?
Yes. Shall I move to the second para, or still
Actually,
you
this,
want?
no, no, no. So what has happened is that we haven't discussed, there is a problem with that we did not discuss how the implementation of laws going to reduce the fatal accident. We just discussed because use of mobile causes fatal accident. We did not discuss how the implementation of laws will reduce accident. So now we have to cleverly write 2 3 lines which will bring us back on the topic. You see my point? What has happened here? We discussed mobile phone causes accident. We did not discuss what we discussed in our central idea. It will reduce fatal accident, right?
You see why I was writing that point in the beginning. Now it is going to be we would be having like around 400 words if we are going in this way. So my point
Don't
was I just confused in the beginning, like I was writing uh, it may lead to fatal accidents. I mean, using mobile phones while driving may lead to fatal accidents and will create congestion on the road. So if I would have written that point, so it is
no no
sufficient now.
Right. I mean, we discussed using how we have to somehow connect that laws will also
Okay.
save that. So, however,
However,
if there were laws, if there were laws regarding the, regarding the use of mobile phones or cell phones while driving, or if there were strict laws, stringent laws, hmm, which oppose the stringent laws for the prevention. We want to say like for the prevention of use of electronic devices while driving, very good, comma, this situation would not have occurred. So see, somehow we got our topic, but we still connected with the.
but yes, this is better because we have used the conditionals as well.
It's not about. I mean, yes. I mean, when you automatically follow the structure to double R. I mean, it's not that you are showing conditional. It has to be, like everything has to connect. Now, just write one line that uh, Canada has strict policy. Canada has strict traffic rules. Therefore, there are not many. They do not have uh, frequent accidents. Therefore, uh,
They have strict laws.
yes, strict laws, or they have rules and regulations, proper rule and regulation or something. Just write one line, not too much, because we don't have to end it in one.
Therefore, frequent
A- a-
accidents are not.
The accidents are not the accidents do not occur frequently. Okay, therefore government should implement that standard. Therefore government should, hence, since we have used hence, thus, or government should enforce or should legislate, we have already said that, impose, yes, traffic rules and regulation. That's it. Now quickly, we don't have too much time. Now let's move on to second. What is our first central idea? Just look at the central idea. We will only try to focus on that central idea.
It would gonna reduce the congestion on the road.
Yeah. Second.
That's
Now say second. How much time? Let me see the time. Go up.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Go ahead. I write. I'm watching. Just say that the implementation of strict law will also reduce congestion, as people follow will have to stay in lane, or will have to adhere to lane driving enforcement, not enforcing. No, always just stick to whenever you're talking about. What happened? Where are you? Not would, will. Would is past of will. Since people now you will say people would have to, now it's in the, since people will have to adhere to proper lane driving and proper lane driving. That's it. One, we can just discuss one point because we want to reduce just proper lane driving. Delete everything. Now just discuss the problem. We will only remain focused to the one part, proper lane. What is the present condition now? In the present time, people usually go, they they like जैसे टेढ़ा swerve off the lane, swerve off, okay, swear off. This is the word I think. जो इधर उधर चलाते हैं ना, like
Rough driving, rushlessly, wreck. What is that?
swerve. This is, or you can just say
Swerve
okay.
off.
Now in the present people usually or commonly do not follow do not drive in one lane and they swerve off frequently. Not swerve off, just swerve. Okay, swerve means sudden turn of your path. So they swerve. Okay, drive in one lane and swerve to swerve. Yes. Now we will just, for example, now we will now delete everything you have been writing. For instance, or for example, now disconnect this idea with the accident that occurred recently. That recently, like we saw in the news. Recently, a car met with an accident who was swerving or who was making sudden turns in the lane, which led to however, we have to reduce congestion, so we don't have we're not talking about accident.
Yes,
So
yes, that is what I'm
yeah,
saying.
okay, so for example, now we have to just say the lane driving is basically the safe driving, so a law was implemented.
So shall I write like there has been a lots of congestion in particular market, but since government has
No,
implemented this law,
we have to cite an example of a country where this law was implemented and it was more organized driving. So like just cite an example of a developed country, for example.
okay, so Germany or UK, for
Yes.
example, recently UK government has implemented this law.
So UK government recently implemented, which penalizes, not where in wrong, which penalizes frequent changes in the lane. Z.
Penalizes.
Frequent changes, frequent or sudden changes.
We are going off topic, I think, because since we are talking about the use of mobile phones, so that We're not talking about. It is something like when you are using mobile phone, so your attention is not proper, and someone from backside is honking because and it
We are
can
not
lead to the.
discussing now. We are not discussing now. We are just what we are doing. We are we are proving that this has stopped the congestion on the road. Due to this, people have stopped
For example, recently
change.
UK government has implemented a law which penalizes frequent changes in the lanes.
This has thereby reduced traffic congestion. Now connected with this has thereby reduced traffic congestion as people were fined by the law enforcement agencies who were caught making sudden turns.
As people,
This has thereby reduced traffic congestion. You don't have to say on the road because it already means on the road. As individuals, as people who were individual who were caught, we ran out of time actually. As people who were caught, CA, who were caught making sudden turns, comma, were penalized or were fined heavily. Therefore, now hence, thus, I therefore conclude, just say I therefore conclude. No, we have written this structure. I therefore conclude or I thus conclude. I therefore is better. Just say I therefore conclude. No. We have to finish this
the
para as
same.
well.
Okay. Therefore,
Conclude that traffic rules and regulation will also help reduce in the congestion. Traffic congestion will also reduce or diminish. We have used diminish di diminish di. Just delete e. Diminish traffic congestion. That's fine. Okay, now let's move on to conclusion. We are late. I therefore or I thereby conclude.
I have written this line just now.
I thus conclude, or you can say I thus conclude.
In
That's fine.
conclusion,
We don't have too much time now. I just thus thereby
yeah, I
conclude
thereby conclude that
that law enforcement, the government can play a significant role in reducing the fatal accidents or in reduction of the fatal accidents
I
through
thereby conclude that
that the local government or the government,
council. I can write council or the authority.
anything is. Government is more proper.
I have the synonyms for them. Na? The authorities
Can play a significant role, a vital role, that's fine, in the reduction of fatal accidents and congestion on the streets through the implementation of policies, traffic policies, and traffic policy and regulation, which will force people to have better driving better driving manners or to adopt better driving manners, which will force people to adopt, not humans. This is very bad. Adopt better driving manners. That's it. Now this is all we could do. Now, even though we ran out of time, we should have finished. This is your typing speed. So you finish this in 42 minutes. This is not good. Now we
Because
have to.
we have over exaggerated this para, na? That's why 2 minutes we have taken more in this para. I think so.
Yes, since we were discussing and something, and we had to make improvement. However, it should not have many. I mean, this should be more than. This should be 8 band as my initial. What I see that because very.
Okay, let's have a reading. I should. Okay, I'm just reading. Okay, the
You
government
read it now. Now
uh,
you read it.
and try to find out the errors.
Yes, you. Yes, read it. However, we were not able to finish in 40 minutes, so we failed.
So that's fine because we were discussing now. The government should implement laws to prevent reducing mobile phones. Available to customers in the regulated to external services.
Are you reading or no?
Yes, yes, and we work.
So it will be UK government has recently implemented.
Our conclusion is pretty much fine, and I do have two improvements over here, two improvisations, which I would like to. If you see this line, first it has been observed that people generally use mobile phones while driving, which sometimes lead to accident. Consequently, they don't pay proper attention to the driving. So I just wanna remove this line. This
Yeah,
time
that's fine.
driving consequently. Okay, and then this thus 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 government should impose strict rules, traffic rules in order to minimize the accidents.
Okay, good.
Okay, and then Hanoi Target Canada is a prime example of this as it has proper rules for driving. Therefore, it should be a comma, I think here. Therefore, accidents do not occur frequently. Thus, government should impose strict traffic rules in order to minimize the accidents. Second, the enforcing strict laws will reduce the congestion on the road since people have to adhere properly in driving. Isn't it?
Would have
People.
to or will have to. Just people will have to agree. Adhere.
Okay, in present times, people usually don't drive in one lane and so, I mean, don't you think like it's slightly off topic? We are talking about the lanes since we were discussing the calling or texting while driving.
So what happens when you make frequent changes in the lane? So like people who are driving in their lane, they are not able to go at a constant speed, right?
But there's nothing to do with the mobiles, right? We're not talking about the mobile over here.
So we are not discussing mobile here, right? Are we?
So we are discussing mobile.
Where?
So
What were
basic.
your two central ideas were congestion on the streets and fatal accidents. This is what we have discussed.
No, but you see the main idea is government should implement laws to prevent the use of mobile phones. Okay, mobile phones, how to prevent the use of mobile phones, and why do you think the prevention of mobile phones would reduce or would be helpful? So I'm
True,
saying
true.
first of all, it would reduce the fatal accidents. Secondly, it would reduce the congestion of the roads. So what was my logic behind? If suppose anybody is using mobile, sometimes I have personally observed, like while I'm using my mobile, so somebody is honking from backside. Okay, it means I'm not paying proper attention, so it could lead to the jams or long traffic snails, isn't it? So it is something related to the mobile phones, not the driving lanes.
Yes, so I
Or
think what you should do is go to the second paragraph. You should say they do not follow proper driving limitation because due to distraction from the electronic devices. That's it.
right, right, exactly. Road. So people have to adhere proper lane driving. People have to adhere proper rules.
Second, the enforcing of strict laws will reduce. Since we are discussing, I mean, this is also not good. I mean, this is also good because we have connected that if we enforce such rules, it will also reduce congestion. Since it's all about forcing laws about texting and calling, right? Not a use of it is already automatically understood from the first two paragraphs and introduction. We are further developing those issues, but if you want to connect that, that's fine.
Well, as per my understanding, I'm not. I mean, I'm by no means of an expert, but this is something which I feel
Yeah, yeah,
it
that's
should
fine.
have.
I No problem at all. Just try to connect with the just unfortunately will reduce congestion on the road since people get distracted due to electronic devices. This is you can say that since people get distracted.
Driving. Just wait. Driving rules. Present times, people usually get distracted. Uh,
Hmm. However, the limit is always there. Like we already and they do not distracted by electronic devices and they do not drive in one lane.
yes, now it's making more.
Hmm. Now delete swerve to other lanes. Delete those
In,
and because sentence too long and fragments are there. Delete that part.
so they don't drive in one lane. You
Or
wanna
they
delete this? You wanna
just
delete this
delete
one?
they swerve to other lanes or they frequently swerve to other lanes or they do not drive in one lane.
Shall I delete this?
Yeah, delete it. Because that is too many fragments. That's it. Now
penalize frequent changes in the lane, which penalizes the use of mobile phones. Or any other
Well,
electronics.
we have connected that distraction occurs due to use of mobile phone. So we are connected that, I mean, yes, now you have to connect, you have to make changes. Now you have to say he got distracted because, or he was making frequent changes because he was on his mobile phone, which penalize frequent changes in the lane, which is automatically understood. If you, because if you say you are making frequent changes, that it is likely that you are on the, whether it occurs through the mobile or not, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Even, okay. So it
It
still makes
means
sense.
it means yes, you are changing lanes because of the some distractions or
Yes.
could be.
Yes.
This has thereby reduced traffic congestion as individuals who were caught making sudden turns were fined heavily. I therefore conclude that traffic rules and regulations will also diminished congestion. Diminish is like
Reduce. Another word for reduce.
okay, that's
Now
fine.
press Control A and Control C, and then just use paste it in your. You are the one who is going to check it. Keep it saved in your control. You spend Control V.
However, we cannot copy and cut the more than five words
So you
in that.
can do it.
Mhm.
However, now the main challenge is finishing this task in